Rigatoni alla Paulie. But since you're eating it, maybe it should be rigatoni alla Tony. Yeah. Oh, madon. Oh, you're not hungry? My fucking stomach. And when you went down below, I thought I saw a whale. Oh, shit. Made me think of Jenny's sack. That joke Ralph made about her, that was some funny shit. No matter what John said. Gotta have a sense of humor, right? Yeah. I heard you took an office job. Chubb Insurance. Was you told him, right? It's no big deal. I could hardly resist. Grapevine, Tone, I don't know. Yeah, he was a funny prick, that Ralph. Gladiator fixation. Time he hit Georgie in the eye with the chain. I'd have loved to see John's face when he heard that crack. Oh, he's fucking holier than now because he didn't fuck other women. It's the broomstick up his ass. No offense, but you ever had yourself checked for Tourette's? What? Tourette's syndrome. Seriously. Hey, you got a tick or something. I don't know. It's like some people grind their teeth. When I'm nervous, tense or something. Come on, you told John about that joke, right? It wasn't me, Tom. No? That's right. You want a drink? All right. Stewart's.
Anyway, $4 a pound.